Good morning. Today's Friday, May 15th, 6:44 a.m. So yesterday, I was talking about my bias for gold and silver being bullish today. But really, as at yesterday night when I ended up checking the data again, I was actually meant to do this video yesterday night around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. But when I saw the data, I realized that we'll still continue in the bearish direction or trajectory as as it is, and price is still like currently dropping and following through with yesterday's thesis. So right now it's going to be a little bit difficult to be able to catch a move right now because I would have sold gold. I just woke up like some minutes ago. I would have sold gold as soon as this candle closed below these lows. I would have sold, but now you could see how aggressive price has moved. And for silver as well, it has moved as aggressively as well. So the thing is, I wouldn't want to join this trade at around here because it's going to be looking like, because price could still move all the way back up and then, still drop. So, and also at the same time, we might just see a continuous drop, just like as it is or as it was with, these crazy buys that happened the last time, or even these crazy sales that happened yesterday. So basically, the most important thing right now is to just keep holding. And I still have some volume from here. Though it's very small, but I still had some volume still running all the way down. So right now it's just about waiting. So and next week I'll be talking about macro data that you can look at as a trader to help you, data like um interest rates, FOMC, um, NFPs, CPI, PPIs, just basic data. And also I'm working on some very important data for trading the oil market. That's also very, very important. So you'll be able to know the aggregate demand and aggregate supplies in inventories, and you'll be able to gauge global oil supplies or global oil demand based off of those data. And that alone is going to help your trading tremendously because when you understand if oil inventories are getting low, it means that demand for oil will be high, and when demand for oil is high, prices would definitely go up. So um that's just it. So if you look at this oil trade, for example, I was expecting that price would come and take out a low and then I would sell, and you see that did not happen. So that was why I just stayed out of the market. So there's a lot that happens behind the scenes when it comes to trading. There's a lot that happens on the macro level when it comes to trading. So one of the most important things you need to pay attention to as a trader is being able to understand the macro perspective of trading. You want to understand the macro perspective of trading, and everything the market prints, every data the market prints, every price it prints is always a function of what is happening on a macro level. It's not so much about the technicals, it's not so much about, just drawing lines and, saying, price would sell here or price would buy here based off of maybe demand or a supply or whatever. No, it does not work that way. The market works based off of, what are the data saying? What is interest rate saying? What is the state of the global economy? What is the state of the economy you're looking at? You know, what is the state of the yield? Are the yields low? Are the yields up? If the yields are low, it means the asset prices will be up. And if the yields are up, you should know that asset prices will be down because when yields are up, it's more attractive to investors. They want to just put their money in risk-free assets and nobody about losing anything. Okay. So that there's so much and a lot that constitutes to trading, right? There's so much. So a large number of these trades I actually did catch them. These buys, these sells on gold. I did not take the sales. I caught this buys on gold. Sorry, I caught it on gold and I caught it on silver. These ones I did not catch it. Yeah, which was part of my testing. So yeah, I caught this buys on silver. I think it was this or this. I can't remember. I think I caught this buys on silver, but this buy it was on gold that I actually did catch it. I got this sales on silver as well. So trading has been great and awesome for me so far. We just have to like keep going. And yeah, I think that's the end of my video. I'll keep you guys updated as it goes. For price is really really aggressive right now, so it's just good to wait on the sideline because trying to join these trades now is going to be more like you're over buying, or what's it called? Like you're not oversold. It's just that you don't know for sure. You don't know for sure if price is going to continue in that trajectory, and I would not want to join in on a sell like this because assuming even this candle wasn't a very expensive one, I can still like consider joining, but it's a very, very big one. So let's just see how the market plays out for the rest of the day and just be patient and see. So yeah, I might do a new video later in the day, but regardless, let's see how it pans out.